Hello everyone, in this video I will be show you how you can add the neon heart effect from CapCut. So I'm using CapCut for PC, and for example you are just going to select your videos or just photos that you like to edit, and for example going to select video to track, and yeah, just going to effect and select apply effect, select background, and you can find the neon heart. But this is pro effect. You have to join a pro first to be able to see this effect, and just add to the track and just for the duration, and then you can also change for the filters and then speed. So here we go, this is the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.